Welcome to the Mohave Community College Libraries, Citing Sources Part 1, Why Cite? Today we'll be talking about the process of citing sources and why it's important to cite sources to begin with. By now, you've heard your instructor tell you about the need to cite sources in your paper or other academic work. But you might wonder why you need to do this and what citation is. A citation is simply giving someone else credit for ideas, expression, or other evidence of work that they've completed. We cite sources first and foremost to protect academic integrity. Integrity has to do with honesty. Scholarly work is a communication between authors and readers. This is a conversation that crosses generations and disciplines. What is in that conversation is only valuable and can only be trusted if everyone is honest about their information, where they received it, and what the information truly is. Without integrity, advances in scholarship would be generally impossible. Now let's talk about when you cite. You'll need to cite whenever you either quote or paraphrase someone. A quote is repeating someone's exact words. For example, Shakespeare saying to be or not to be. A paraphrase, on the other hand, is expressing someone else's ideas, but not in the very same words the other person used. Remember, even if you aren't repeating someone's exact words, you'll still need to cite them if you're using their ideas. The only exception to this is if the facts you're talking about are considered common knowledge, such as George Washington being the first U.S. president. So that's when we cite. Now, what do we cite? We cite sources. A source is simply any place from which you obtain information. There are many kinds of sources you can cite in a paper. Some of these include books, journals, including magazines, video or film, including material you've personally seen in a theater or other public display, course lectures, including materials you may have heard in an online course, conversations with others, including face-to-face talks, phone, email, and chat, and so on. Use your honest judgment. If you've used the words or ideas of another person, regardless of the format in which that person has communicated, you'll need to cite them. Let's talk a little bit about where you cite in your paper. There are several different ways to cite your information, known as citation formats. We'll talk about those in upcoming videos. But regardless of format, you'll generally be citing in two places. At the end of your paper, in your bibliography or works cited page, and in the body of your text. That's known as in-text citation. To learn more about how to do this, you can take a look at our other tutorials and resources, check with your instructor, or come ask us at the library. Now here are some more reasons why citing correctly is important. Citing makes your paper stronger. It shows that you're aware of what other intelligent people have said on your topic, and that shows that you understand the nature of good academic work and that your paper is engaged in an intelligent way. Making citations correctly improves your grade. Citation is critical for your academic success. Citing also avoids plagiarism. Plagiarism is the theft of another's words or ideas, passing them off as your own. If your instructor finds out that you've plagiarized, this will result in the failing of your assignment. It may also cause you to fail the course or other penalties. We want you to do your best here at Mohave Community College, and avoiding plagiarism is a crucial component of that. Finally, citing correctly gives credit where it's due. and it really is the right thing to do. Please take a look at our other tutorials for more information. If you have more questions, just ask us. You can visit us at mohave.edu/library.